Okay, once again, John Lee TV and DJ Jones. Okay, powered by Jones and Minlets and Sound. Ayan. Sound check tayo guys. Okay. Ayan, powered by Rockstone guys. Okay. Ayan guys. What's up guys? Okay. Welcome back to my channel John Lee TV. Okay. Ayan guys, reheat lang tayo ng ating mga processor guys. Kay ang ating gamit ngayon guys is i-share ko lang guys sa ating mga anak. Okay, nahin natin ko din. Ayan, naka channel 1 tayo guys. Okay, welcome back to my vlog. Okay, John Lee TV. And ayan guys, gamit natin ngayon is male guys, lalaki. Ayan, made by Roland Pastrana and Roland audio cable guys ng Aero. Ayan guys, ito yung hot na hot ngayon guys. Male low profile Rockstone routable guys. Okay. Ayan guys, at din gamit namin ni paring Roland is yung tin Rockstone cable guys. Ayan, pang professional guys. Okay. Ayan guys, ang linis tignan, di ba? Okay. Ayan, okay. Samahan nyo guys sa aking vlog today, okay? Ang ating ano guys, ayan. Napakalinis ano guys, tignan guys. Kaya ayan. Ano pala yan guys, story mode, lalaki yan, male XLR guys. Then ayan pala guys, oh, imagine oh, yung ating nakikita nyo, di ba guys? Yung ating volume almost, ayan pa lang guys, oh. Yung ating pedal, napaka ano pa lang guys, oh. Then gamit natin guys is crown upgraded by DJ Jones and Roland Pastrana guys. Siya ang aking kasama nag-upgrade niyan guys. Powered by ang ano niyan guys is full range lang guys ha. Naka full range lang si DJ Jones today. Okay. Ayan, for sharing guys. Kaya para may idea kayo din. Ay ibalik natin doon guys sa ating low profile Rockstone routable guys. Ayan. Is RP nito guys is 1.5 meter guys. The pampro na yung ating cable guys. Yung medyo pangalawa sa pinakamaliit guys. Kasi ito yung pinakamaliit nating cable Rockstone guys. Okay. Ayan guys, oh. Hinaan na lang natin konti guys para marinig nyo. Okay yan guys. Ayan guys, okay. Sama ko na yung ating tutorial ngayon guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, channel 1 din ang aking audio source guys is powered by, ayan guys, TCL Google TV guys 55. Okay, thank you Lord sa ating naging dream TV Google guys. QLED yan guys 55. Okay, yan ang ating pinaka audio source ngayon guys. Okay, kaya hindi na natin ginamit yung laptop para diretso na agad guys. Okay, Ragata style guys. Okay, love song power mix DJs. Okay, basagan speaker daw. Okay, ayan guys, SRP niyan guys, balikan natin guys, okay? Para may idea kayo, 600 to 650 guys, depende sa lugar nyo guys. Meron din tayo niyan guys in Shopee. Okay, okay, direct message lang or call or text in my channel John Lee TV or my Facebook Johnny Gambo or kay Roland audio cable guys ng Aero Quezon City guys. Ayan kanyang page. Ayan guys. Then ayan din guys, kinunik natin sa ito guys, oh. Powered by Rockstone, all Rockstone yan guys. Ayan guys. Kinunik natin sa ano niya guys, sa headphone output niya guys. Kaya nagamit natin yung ating TCL Google TV 55 guys. Okay, yan. Okay. Ayan guys, kay. So nakikita nyo ko guys, kay. Hindi na natin ginamit yung tripod natin. Ayan guys, kay. Color text lang guys sa gustong mag-avail nito guys, ang ating low profile routable rockstone guys. Okay, 600 to 650 SRP niyan guys. Depende rin guys, mga pwede rin female or male guys. 1.5 meter yung guys yung male to, ayan guys, male to guys stereo mode tawag dyan to 3.5 jack guys. Ayan, made by Roland Pastrana guys, or Roland OG cable guys. Ayan guys, anong nangyari sa sounds natin guys, kay. Kaya guys, okay. Sana nagustuhan niyo itong aking vlog for today, for sharing guys. Powered by routable rockstone low profile guys. Okay. Once again, thank you so much for watching. God bless to everyone po.